In a world where entrepreneurship shines bright, the idea of starting a business without any capital seems daunting yet exhilarating. The journey begins not with a fat wallet, but with an eager mind filled with innovative ideas, determination, and an unwavering spirit. Imagine envisioning your dream, sketching it out on paper, and transforming it into reality through sheer creativity and resourcefulness. The first step on this path is identifying your passion and skills. What interests you? What can you excel at without needing significant investment? Perhaps your love for cooking can turn into a catering service, or your knack for writing could evolve into freelance content creation. By honing in on what you already possess, in terms of expertise and enthusiasm, you set the foundation upon which your business will grow. It's about leveraging your strengths while keeping expenses minimal. Next, let's delve into networking. In a realm where connections can be more valuable than cash, cultivating relationships becomes pivotal. Attend local meetups or participate in online forums relevant to your industry. These gatherings are hotbeds for collaboration, offering you a chance to exchange ideas and potentially find partners or customers. Visualize having a support system comprised of fellow entrepreneurs who encourage each other on this challenging journey, celebrating small victories together. Once armed with skills and connections, the next move is to create a solid business plan. Outline your ideas, target audience, and marketing strategies with clarity and detail. Picture crafting a roadmap that guides your decisions, highlighting alternate routes if obstacles arise. This doesn't require expensive software. Even a basic document or presentation will suffice. The goal is to paint a vivid picture of your business for yourself and any potential collaborators or supporters. Marketing plays a crucial role, especially when funds are low. Social media is your ally here. Visualize harnessing platforms like Instagram or Facebook not just for advertising, but for building a community. Engage your audience, share stories about your journey, and create valuable content that resonates. Consider offering free workshops or producing content that helps others. These not only showcase your expertise, but gradually establish your brand as a trusted authority in your field. Finally, embrace the journey with open arms. Celebrating every little win will motivate and fuel your determination. As you navigate through challenges with wit and creativity, you'll build not just a business, but a legacy from the ground up, one step at a time. So go forth with excitement. The most incredible adventures often start with the simplest of beginnings. Approach and a dash of creativity. The journey begins by identifying a market gap. Take time to observe your surroundings, listen to conversations, and analyze consumer needs. Find a problem that you can solve or a service that you can improve upon. A keen understanding of what people want will be your guiding star as you embark on this entrepreneurial adventure. Next, tap into your skills and passions. Reflect on what you're good at and how those skills can be utilized to generate income. Whether it's graphic design, writing, or consulting, leveraging your existing talents minimizes the need for financial outlay. Create a list of services you can offer and envision how these can be marketed to your target audience. This initial step transforms your expertise into a viable resource, paving the way for future growth. Establishing an online presence is a critical component for any new business, especially when capital is limited. Start by creating free social media accounts and engage with potential customers. Use platforms like Instagram or LinkedIn to showcase your services and build community relationships. Consistent, valuable engagement not only positions you as an authority in your niche, but also attracts followers who may become paying customers in time. Additionally, consider blogging or utilizing online forums to share insights related to your expertise, further expanding your reach without spending a dime. Networking is another powerful tool in your business arsenal. Attend community events, engage on social media platforms, and join local business groups to meet like-minded individuals. These connections can lead to partnerships, mentorships, and even referrals, all of which are essential for your growth. Forming a supportive network can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations that require no financial investment, just a willingness to connect and share ideas. Lastly, be prepared to embrace creativity and adaptability. Starting with no capital means you'll face hurdles, but overcoming these challenges fosters resilience. Seek out affordable or free resources, including government programs or local nonprofits that support entrepreneurs. Be ready to pivot your business model as necessary, ensuring that you stay aligned with market demands. With patience and determination, you can transform your vision into a thriving business, proving that financial constraints need not stifle entrepreneurial spirit.